Hello students, welcome to the series of lectures on Universal Human Values 2. So in this video I am going to explain the understanding hormone in the society. So in the previous video we have already seen one important order of the human being, that is education and samskar. Okay, now let us continue. Alright, see, these are the two important lecture learning outcomes of this today's lecture. You'll be able to understand the hormone in the society, and you'll be able to understand the prosperity, fearlessness, that is a trust, which is a foundation value of relationship, and coexistence as a comprehensive human goal. Alright, some of the slides I'm putting the same thing. In the previous video also we have already seen this kind of slides. So please have a look. The basic human aspiration is a continuous happiness and prosperity. We should ask by ourselves, what is our role in a society? Alright, so the society, nothing but society being an extension of the family, which is the next larger order, and these are the some of the exploration we need to follow. The three important exploring. Alright, so these are the four important orders in human being. So these are four important. So all these four orders are required, and we cannot leave anything. Alright, now coming to the second one, that is a prosperity in every family level. Okay, so in the previous video we have completed the harmony at the individual level. So in this video we will be able to learn the concept on harmony at the family level. Okay, how we are going to be achieving the prosperity. The relationship is a very important consideration here. Right? And these are the dimensions also we have already seen. The education samskar that we already seen. Okay, and coming to this second one, health, that is self-regulation, which is very important dimension at the family level. Okay, so what do you mean by self-regulation? So feeling of, I clearly mentioned here. So let me take the pen now. Alright, so this part we are discussing today. Okay, health and self-regulation. So what is self-regulation? So feeling of responsibility for nurturing, protection and right utilization of the body. This is very important. In the unit number 1 also we have taken some of the examples for this protection and how that we need to use as a physical facility. Okay, for physical facility mostly we are focusing on the comfort and then protection and the right utilization of the body. Okay, so that is a self-regulation, feeling of responsibility for nurturing, protection and right utilization of the body. Next, health. What do you mean by health? That is swasthya. This is a Sanskrit word. So body acts according to the self. Okay, as we already aware, human being is a coexistence of self and body. Okay, if self is given any instruction to the body, body has to follow. Okay, and one example also we clearly mentioned, if any thing that is happening, if you want to switch on the light, for instance, okay, the instruction that is coming from the mind to the body, and automatically body will raise a hand to switch on the light. Okay, so that is what. So body acts according to the self, and the parts of the body are in harmony. That is what, as I mentioned, one simple example now to switch on the light. Okay, the way how the instruction that is coming from the self to the body, and how the body that is reacting to the instruction that is coming from the self. Okay, so parts of the body are in harmony. So recognizing what is needed as a physical facility, which is also very important for us. Okay, so the most important point what you need to understand from this slide is that, so self-regulation is nothing but feeling of responsibility for nurturing, protection and right utilization of the body. And health, that is the swasthya, body acts according to the instruction which is coming from the self, and all the parts of the body are in the harmony, in order, and recognizing what is needed as a physical facility. Okay, so what that is needed to you, okay, whether that is essential or the desirable thing to you, that you need to check. Okay, so before you purchase anything, okay, for instance, if you want to purchase a car, that is a physical facility. Okay, if that is really needed, then you can take that. Okay, For the car, what we are going to be looking there in order to purchase a car, the protection we are going to be looking, whether that is comfort to our body or not, that we are going to be checking, and also the right utilization of the body. Okay, so these three we are going to be checking in order to purchase any physical facility. And one more point you need to understand, the physical facility will not give you happiness. Okay, so happiness that will be related to the self, not for the physical facility. Okay, if you purchase more number of cars or if you purchase more number of houses, you will not derive the happiness from them. Okay, so that is only for the purpose of right utilization of the body. Okay, that is where we are going to be taking cars and houses or whatever. Okay, that is only for the temporary happiness, not the happiness is going to be coming from them. Okay, all right. So this is the program for health self-regulation. So there is a feeling of responsibility in the self towards the body, that is for nurturing, the same thing I have given in the previous slide, protection and the right utilization of the body. So what is the program for harmony in the body? So staying healthy. Okay, that is a program. Staying healthy is a program, that is a harmony in the body. Okay, that is intake. Okay, intake and the daily routine, that's the lifestyle. Okay, the way how you are eating the food at the breakfast, lunch and the dinner. So this is a daily routine process, the lifestyle. And coming to the second important point in the staying healthy is that labor and exercise. Okay, and the third one, postures for regulating internal and external body organs and regulated breathing. So these all are very, very essential to any human being. Okay, staying healthy means the way how we are taking the food, the way how we are doing the exercises daily, the way how you are maintaining your organs and the body parts well, staying healthy, breathing and everything. Okay, and coming to the second one, there is a bringing body back to the harmony from temporary disharmony. Okay, for instance, you're not feeling well. Okay, so imagine a situation in one day you're not feeling well. Okay, so at that point of time, then the instruction is coming from the self to the body, take medicine. Okay, and you have taken medicine and after some time you feel very happy. Okay, that means your body has been rejuvenated. Okay, so that is what bringing body back to the harmony from temporary disharmony. So that is a temporary state only. If you take the medicine, and obviously you'll be getting into the normal. And the third important point is that dependence on drug or dependence on machine to perform a body function, that I am calling as a treatment. Okay, this is self-regulation. So health, the self-regulation we are dealing. So dependence on drug or machine to perform a body function, that is a treatment. Okay. So program for health and self-regulation. So self-regulation is the self, feeling of responsibility towards the body. Okay, the same thing, nurturing, protection, and then right utilization of the body. So intake, there's the food and the one daily routine, and then labor, exercise, balancing internal and external organs of the body, balancing breathing of the body, and the medicine. If you are not feeling well, how the way how you are taking the medicine, and that will perform the treatment in the body and you will become normal. Okay, so this is what. So what is mean by intake? So intake, which includes air, water, sunlight, food. Okay, as an example, I have taken food in the previous slide. Okay, so food is a nutritious food you need to take. Okay, and which is easily digestible according to the human digestible system, and it should be tasty and waste is excretable. Okay, so that is an example for intake. Okay, now coming to the one B, there's a daily routine. There's a rising time, sleeping time, eating time. Okay, the way at what time you're waking up and at what time you're sleeping, at what time you're eating. That's a daily routine. And then 2A, what is 2A? There's a labor. Outcome of a labor is a production of the physical facility. Okay, outcome of the labor is a production of the physical facility. And what is 2B excess? No physical facility is produced by exercise. Please understand this point. Okay, so all these are some of the examples we are going to be considering for the program for health and self-regulation. Okay, so health in the body. Body acts according to the self, and parts of the body are should be in harmony according to the order. All right. So next, the production and work also we are going to be focusing here. So what is work? The labor a human being does on the rest of the nature. And the protection, what is the protection? The physical facility obtained out of work. That is the protection. Okay. So we are working something. We are working for something. Okay. And the production, nothing but the physical facility obtained out of work. Whatever that you have worked, done, some production has been, some outcome has been come. So that is a protection. And what to produce here? That the required physical facility that is necessary for the nurturing, protection, the right utilization of the body. Okay. And how to produce that? So which is a mutually enriching and cyclic process, which is an eco-friendly, ensuring justice, the people-friendly. And some of the examples also I have quoted in the next slide. So this is a cyclic process actually. The plants which need soil, water, and then air. And similarly, if you have soil, water, and air enough, we can easily plant any kind of thing. Okay. So which is a cyclic, and every unit in the process is enriched. Okay, this is the mutual enriching process that is happening. We no need to create this one. This is already exist. Okay, this mutually enriching cyclic process is already going on in the nature. We do not have to create it again. Okay. And similarly, the plants, the same thing, animal and birds. Some more order is also included in this. So this is also mutually enriching. This is a cyclic process. Okay, so once the plants are growing, animals will take the food, birds will take the food from them. Okay, which is a cyclic process. And then human beings. Okay, so what is a human being? What is the role of human being in this? Okay, that we need to check by ourselves. Okay, so think of it. Okay, that is the reason I have given the question mark to the human beings. Okay, so we should think of it. What is our role from here? So we human beings have to understand the mutual fulfillment in the nature and to live according to that. So to update the man-made processes to be cyclic and mutually enriching. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video.